K.E. household.
Mama K and Mr. Vincent. Mini Me Calais, the boss Kia. K.E. household. We run it. Mama K and Mr. Vincent. Mini Me Calais, the boss Kia.
It is a male's bag. And again, that's where I have an issue with Gucci. Hey guys, hey family. So in today's episode of Designer Handbags Drama, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing Gucci. Okay guys, let's go ahead and open the box. And before I forget, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. It's free. Cost you nothing. All right. So let's go ahead. Do the ribbon. Slide it on out, guys. See, it's still in the paper. Another brand new purse. There's my dust bag. Box, nothing in it. There we go. On the floor. I'm going to move it out of the way, guys, so it's not so much in our shots. All right. Here's the dust bag. All right, guys. Ta-da! As you see, it's just, I'm going to sit it here. The dust bag. It says Gucci. Nice. I'm going to throw that in the box. All right, so guys. This purse, you guys are not gonna believe. This purse, as cute as it is not a woman's purse. They sold me, guys, a man's bag. They sold me in Gucci a man's bag. I love it. But guys, I am not a dude. I'm not a man. The drama behind these designer handbags. What is with it? They sold me a man's handbag. Huh. But anyway, I digress. All right, just like before, we're going to get up close and let's see what this bag is all about. All right, guys, so you see the bag has this signature Gucci logo. It's got a little pocket on the front. So let's go ahead and unzip. Inside, just your normal paper. Great spot and space to go ahead and put some change if you choose. All right, then there's, whoops, 2 buttons on top, guys. 2 zippers, I should say. And zip these down. Then I'll show you guys the back and the handles. So, of course, inside, it's the paper. Like I said, guys, it's a new purse. I haven't used it. And it's still got more paper in. So, all right, guys, I'm going to show you inside the purse. As you see, there's more paper. There is a zipper. And let's see if you guys, if we can get the camera to focus on the Gucci label that's there. The authenticity. All right, there's a zipper inside. So I'm going to open that. And let's see how much space we have. What do we have inside? So inside the zipper are the Gucci tags. All right. So that's it. It's pretty spacious, guys. There's still more paper inside. So pretty spacious. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back. You got your handle. You got your two straps. Of course, they are adjustable here. Now kind of the brass buckle. This signature Gucci all over the backpack. So yeah, guys. There we go. What do you think? I think it's great. Again, the only drama with this bag is that it is made for a male. It is a man's bag. You guys may say, well, why did you buy it? Guys, they sold it to me as if it was for a woman, okay? Like it was for a woman. That's my drama with these designer handbags. However, I'm going to keep it. I decided that I was going to go ahead and take this one out of the closet and I was going to start using this one. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the back. And this is how I would wear it. Probably just one strap. But I'm going to show you guys how it looks with both straps on. There we go. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you guys would wear a backpack purse. This is probably my first because I don't like things behind me. To me, people can come in, get things out of your purse, you know, and by the time you realize it, so, you know, if I had to, I could potentially wear it on the front. But you guys comment down below. Tell me what you think about this Gucci handbag. Well, Gucci backpack. Again, guys, I love the purse, but it is not meant for a female. It is a male's bag. And again, that's where I have an issue with Gucci. So comment down below if I should keep or if I should toss. All right, guys. So with this, there's no wallet. There's no extra anything. I didn't buy anything extra with this Gucci purse when I was purchasing this. But I am trying to go through my closet and get rid of a lot of things. I'm just trying to downsize. And I know that purses and things like this could be very lucrative to someone else. I do a lot of gifting, or I should say donating to Goodwill, to Salvation Army. And then there's also a new donation spot that's just in our area. So I may even give some bags there. But you guys, tell me, what do you think? I mean, I still haven't quite decided 100% if it's a keeper yet. Although I'm thinking about using it, I just don't know. All right, so until next time, let's see what other new drama we can get into with these designer handbags. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and more importantly, keep it sweet. Until next time, KE Household.